Hey guys, I'm Stu with SFI's Flooring Academy, and today we're going to be installing a new product in the SFI lineup called Shape Up 9. Shape Up 9 is rubber flooring for gyms and commercial applications manufactured right here in the United States. SFI has 4 colors of interlocking tiles in stock and ready to ship. It is also available in many other colors, different thicknesses, mats, and rolls with custom lengths available as well. Today we're going to be installing the interlocking tiles. To get started, we'll need to clean the install area, making sure to start with a clean, dry, and flat surface. You can install the interlocking tiles over concrete and wood subfloors, as well as other flooring like tile, wood, and vinyl. You should avoid installing the tiles over floating floors because the weight can create a pinch point, preventing the floor under it from expanding and contracting naturally. For this project, we're going to need a tape measure, a metal straight edge, utility knife with extra blades, framing square, a chalk line, marking paint pens or chalk, and a rubber mallet. I would also suggest having a piece of 2x4 over 2 feet long and a spray bottle of soapy water. Those are not required, but it will make the job easier. After receiving the material, you should allow the product to acclimate in the install area for at least 48 hours. Once we have our supplies, the floor is prepped, and the material is acclimated, we are ready to start the install. So I'm going to start by making a straight line with my chalk line 19 inches away from the wall. This is going to give me a nice straight line to start my first row. Before I place any tiles, one of the most important steps is to locate the white line on the stack of tiles. These dots on the edge of the tile show the direction to install them. If it is hard to see, you can make it brighter using paint markers or chalk. All of the dots should be facing in the same direction. Due to the grain of the product, if you quarter turn the tiles, it will affect the way the light reflects off of it, making it seem like 2 different colors. Now that I have all of my tiles in the same direction, I can install the flooring. Using the rubber mallet and pushing some parts in with your fingers, it should go together pretty easy, but this is where the spray bottle with soapy water comes in hand. Spray a small amount around the locking tabs to help them go together easier. I'm going to install the whole area, leaving the space between the wall and my first row for last. There's no need to glue the interlocking tiles, and it should be avoided to allow material to expand and contract naturally. Now that the bulk of the flooring is installed, we will trim the pieces for along the wall. You can mark these by flipping the piece over and using a chalk or paint pen to make a straight line. Make sure to leave a 1/4 inch of space along the wall for expansion. Now, using the utility knife, cut the tiles to the right size. You will need a few blades because the rubber is very tough and it will dull the blades quickly. A pro tip is to use a piece of 2x4 under the cut line to help separate the 2 pieces, making it easier to cut through. Once you have those pieces cut and installed, you can trim the outside edge to be a straight line, or you could use the scrap pieces to cap off the locking system. You can get pretty creative with this to create the least amount of waste. We also have rubber transitions available in many different styles to ramp down or connect to other flooring. And that's it. The floor is installed and ready for a workout. If you guys would like to learn more, make sure to ask your local flooring retailer about Shape Up 9 and other SFI products for your next flooring project. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.